Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing another custom build. This time, instead of the build being for my brother, it's for my brother's friend. He picked up these parts a while ago and never got around to assembling it, so my brother suggested that I just put it together for a video. And now, here we are. Like the last build video, I'm going to keep commentary to a minimum. But first, let's go over all the parts. The switches that we're using today are the U4T Boba switches. They are a premium tactile switch that have a great feel and sound. I'll be lubing them with Krytox 205 and 105. These are Durock Stabilizers, which again I'll be lubing with Krytox. This is the PCB. I like that as little indicators for bandaid modding, but in my case I actually like to use electrical tape instead of real band-aids, and you'll see that during the build. Here we have some artisan keycaps. To the left we have a little moon landing, and to the right we have a mountain. I'm not actually going to put these on the keyboard yet to keep them clean, but I just wanted to show you guys. For our keycaps, he picked up some Tai-Hao Keycaps. This is just a temporary set while he waits for a GMK group buy. The set didn't actually come with a 7U spacebar, so I had to use one that I had lying around. And that finally brings us to the keyboard. This is the Kyuu keyboard. What's interesting about this keyboard is that the files for this keyboard were actually released online. Even though this keyboard isn't in production anymore, if you take the files and send it into a manufacturer, you can actually make this keyboard for yourself. Keep in mind that this is strictly for personal use, so if you do decide to do that, make sure you read over the rules and licenses. And of course, I'll leave that in the description. Okay, now that we've seen all the parts, we can finally get to the build, and stay tuned after for the sound test.